Good news, I finally upgraded my YouTube studio to this from whatever. Note, this is something very nice. And do you believe me? I lied. This background you are seeing here is fake, and this is how I was able to achieve it. I'm going to be showing you in this video. Moreover, this is how the background really look like from the beginning. Now watch this video. This is the original video as you can see, and I was able to change this background of my room to that of a very nice background just using my mobile phone. And I wanted to show you step by step on how you can achieve the same result by just following the tutorial I'm going to show you in this video. Now note, this is just for mobile phone, and I will be dropping another tutorial for those of you that are using laptop. So to get a background, go to pinterest.com. Go to pinterest.com, search, it will pop up. Now when it pop-ups like this, click on the search bar here and type in studio background images. Now scroll through and select the one that fits whatever you wanted to do, depending on the kind of niche that you are doing. Select the one that best suits you. So this is the one I choose to download. So click on it, click on what, download image. So once you are able to download the image, it will now reflect in your gallery. So first thing first, let's check our gallery to see. And then here it is, voila, we have what, our image. Okay, we have our image downloaded. Now we'll be using CapCut for this particular video, and this is the mobile tutorial while you wait for the other video which will cover laptops and also desktop computers. Now go and select the kind of video you wanted to use. Okay, so for example, let me just select any short video from my gallery. Okay, now this is a video from my gallery, right? This is the video from my gallery. Now if I wanted to change the background of this video, it is as simple as this. So take a very close, pay attention. Now let's do this together. First thing first, we needed to what, remove the background of this particular video. So click on the video, scroll to what, remove GB. So this is it, remove GB, select it, and then you click on what, auto removal. It's going to remove the background of your video for you. So let's wait for it. As you can see, it is processing. Now while waiting for it to process, you can see that we now have what, something very nice. We now have something very good, and the background is successfully removed. We have successfully removed the background. Now let's add. It is as simple as this. You just need to what, add another background. But before you add, make sure that your video, it is in the best form. Your video, it is in the best form. So look for effects, look for effects. Here it is, video effect. Once you look for the video effect, type here blur. Just follow everything I'm doing here carefully. If you are using the mobile phone version, just type in the blur. Look for a very nice one, video effect. You can also click on the body effect and look for the one that will make your face clear and your background a little bit. Amazon KDP is one of, that is not what we actually want. Let's check out this. Amazon KDP is one of, I think this is what we want.
Amazon KDP.
So click on this and reduce it a little bit. Maybe put it on 10 or remove
Amazon KDP is one of the easiest.
Now you have what? Your video. We don't want to be disturbing, so let's mute it. And this is not looking nice. Now add your background. So go back here, scroll to background. You can see this is here. You said background, so click on it. Once you click on background, this is where you choose to blur the video. So you blur it. Look for the best part of yourself. Either blur the face. Okay, so I preferred this one to blur the background a little bit. Now apply it to it. Now click on the image icon over here. Then you select the image that we downloaded. So this is the one I downloaded, and then voila, as you can see, it has perfectly fit into me. So you can play around and zoom the video down or up to make it look more realistic. As you can see here, that my head is entering this, so I need to return the video. Good, far from it, so that my head will be far from entering it. So you now see that we have a very nice video and a very nice background. Okay, so this is how fast and reliable it is to create a realistic background for yourself in YouTube Studio. This is what big YouTubers use, even though they don't have the setup that you have been saying. So don't let this stop you from creating a video. Don't say I have a bad background so I cannot create a video. No, this is just the way they also do it. And now that you've learned it, if you've learned something from this video, kindly subscribe to my channel and write something nice in the comment section. See you guys all in the next video. So you only need to import your video now.